In this video, I will make a simple inverter using 3 materials only. First, 2S5 transistor, 1.5 kilo ohm, 10% resistor, 220 volt to 12 volt step down, or 12 volt to 220 volt step up transformer, and some alligator clips. Transistor. This is alligator transistor. Collector. Transformer one side, and other wire, red wire connected to transformer pin number 3. Center tap is not connected. Center tap is connected on power 12 volt battery supply. Take out 1 kilo ohm resistor and this resistor other side I connect other alligator clip connect like there. Carefully connecting, not touch each other. This is a base wire. Base wire like there. Little bit back. Now take three wires. We need a wire to output of transformer like this. One wire like there, and one wire like this. And I also connected multimeter for voltage. Multimeter placed to 450 volt AC mode. Switch some AC volt. They are connected. One wire does not matter for output one connected to multimeter 1 and alligator clip wire, other alligator clip, and other multimeter wire, and other transformer wire connect each other. So final output is these two. Now take a 12 volt supply. I will not have battery, so I can use this 12 volt 2 ampere supply. It works as 220 input to output DC volt 12 and 2 ampere. So it is 12 volt. But before I can see the 220 to 240 volt bulb 15 watt. So this bulb cannot run this 12 volt. I will show you. It is a 12 volt, not a high voltage. So can I touch these two wires? It is not showing bulb on, which means this is a 12 volt bulb, 10 watt wire up to 12 volt. I remove this wire, so I can use this extra wire. This wire connecting black wire is negative point, connected to ammeter, and this red wire connected to yellow. But if first time if trying this to connect with series 12 volt 10 watt bulb for safety, this starts short circuit. But I turn up power supply. I can take while I take some, I can turn on again, and this power terminal to yellow point of the transistor. And after this experiment is very dangerous. This output terminal with high voltage and damaged. So it's safe, observed. So it can connect it. My jumper cable may not working correctly, so I can first turn off power after changing the wire. So it can available power supply is internal capacitor charged by voltage and made after short when power plug is turned off. So it's time. It's manding first all wires to connecting power source before we touching outside. Now I can turn on power supply. Yeah, but first let these the mini wire like here and now turn on. I think meter is reflecting some volts on little bit sound rate, which means as this transistor are working. So I can safety reasons before plug out firstly and now connect this wire on again. Now place charger back, but this thing is so dangerous. It can die, may kill them. So it's turned off. Please remember it's not just these 2 points, black leads. I are connecting so fine. It generate up 220 volt. I also seen this inverter are put to fire this bulb. You see bulb is light up, which means 220 volt. So the full illumination bulb. So I have not a bulb holder this time. So that's why this bulb is coming around, which means it can not balance. But keep in mind, never touch. I turn off power supply directly to light there. And multimeter is also closed. Now see circuit. This is a circuit diagram. There is transformer center tap. That to the positive. This is a 2FC 5200 transistor, which means pin out is I will show what's pin out. But other thing I will demo it, but if made this circuit before connected EC transformer base, there is transistor first start pin. This is emitter collector base. This is NPN type NPN transistor. There is pin out emitter base collector. This one is emitter collector base. So you can see on written of a transistor, this transistor is not look camera is but very better. But 2FC500, which means counting start transistor number start to this side. So this is a collector, emitter collector base. So it is not valid to connect a wrong pin, that's still a transistor. And this video will be end with our next video for next project. Pause.